Make a great choice today with
the 2020 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.